Hello and welcome to the next Floorex help and how-to video. Today I'm working from home, so I thought I'd show you a little feature on the website that makes your life a lot easier when it comes to selecting consumables and diamonds. So having a look at this list here, we have a vast array of diamonds, and it's a very quick way of selecting exactly what you're wanting, and it narrows it down very quickly. However, for today I'm going to go to all consumables, and that gives you a result of 271 different products to choose from. They're all consumables, diamonds, floor scraper blades, and so on. The feature I want to show you today is this little filter panel down the left, and if you're on a mobile phone it'll be at the bottom of the list. So looking at this, we can filter out price immediately by sliding these bars, and you can select the price range, say if you have a budget. So that's one option. Next one is selecting my concrete, what the concrete is, or what sort of finish you want, or tooling for my certain machine. So in this case I'm going to head to the Meteor 250. That immediately limits this list down to 27 different results. From there we can say, okay, I've got very hard concrete or extra hard concrete, and that narrows it down straight down to 3 results. So you can see how powerful this little search is. Okay, so if you're wanting to leave a coarse grind on extra hard to grind concrete, it leaves you very quickly with a pink disc to select. So that's Meteor 250 on extra hard to grind concrete, and we want to leave a finish of coarse grind. So hopefully that helps. Play around with it and you'll find how powerful this feature is to help you select what diamond to choose. Thanks for watching.